Hey guys, I'm Matt Pittman, award-winning pitmaster and founder of Meat Church Barbecue. Today, I'm here to give you guys pro tips to help you on your grilling and barbecue journey. So let's talk about keeping your grill or smoker clean. Very important no matter what you're cooking on to keep the grate really clean for the proteins you're gonna put on it and to keep all the components of the inside of it clean as well. Contrary to popular belief, all that buildup in your smoker actually isn't flavor building up, it's a grease fire waiting to happen. This is particularly important if you've got a pellet grill. I would remove the grates from it and the drip tray. I would take a shop vac and vacuum out all the ash every 3 to 4 cooks and look in there and make sure you have no grease built up. Take a putty knife and scrape the inside of the grill so that grease that turns black and disguises itself won't build up, and the next time you're having a high heat cook, you won't have yourself a big grease fire. This has been a pro tip by Meat Church, and for all your outdoor cooking needs, be sure to visit your local Academy Sports and Outdoors or academy.com.